welcome everyone to this debate on the proposed cleanup of the Caloocan River. This is a crucial issue of the city and its residents. And we have a diverse panel representing different perspectives. Let's begin with opening statement from its participants.
The dam site has been a source of health problems for our community. Exposure to toxic substance has led to respiratory disease, cancer, and other health issues. Closing the dam site will protect our community health and well-being. Furthermore, the dam site violates environmental regulation and harms the ecosystem. The pollution from the dam site affects not only our community but also the surrounding areas. We urge the LLDA take immediate action and close the dam sites.
Dam site is a significant contributor to water pollution, soil contamination, and air pollution. The environmental impact is devastating and it's crucial we prioritize environmental and public health concerns. Alternative solutions, such as recycling facilities and composting plants, are available and effective. We must invest in sustainable waste management practices.
Health risks associated with the dam site far outweigh any potential benefits. Exposure to toxic substances has led to increased healthcare costs and lost productivity. Closing the dam site will prevent further health problems and reduce healthcare costs.
The dam site negative impact on properly values tourism and local business outweighs any potential economic benefits. Closing the dam site will create opportunities for sustainable development and job creation.
We understand the concern, but closing the dam site without a valuable alternative will disrupt waste management service and cause economic losses. We're exploring waste-to-energy options and improving waste segregation. These solutions will reduce waste disposal costs and generate revenue.
What alternative solution do you propose?
Will conduct through assessment and feasibility studies to determine the best alternative solutions. Will also engage with stakeholders and ensure public participation in waste management decisions.
Waste-to-energy is not a proven solution as it is not effectively implemented. We can rely on untested technologies.
Waste segregation is crucial, but it's not enough. We need to prioritize reduction and recycling.
Health risks associated with waste-to-energy plants are still unknown.
Waste-to-energy plants are costly and may not be economically viable.
We're willing to invest in modern waste management technologies and ensure proper implementation.
What are the potential alternatives to the dam site?
Recycling facilities, composting plants, and waste-to-energy plants.
Okay. How will the city government ensure public participation in waste management decisions?
Through public hearings, community engagement, and education programs.
What are the estimated costs of closing dam site and implementing alternative solutions?
The cost will be determined through assessment and feasibility studies.
Based on the evidence and arguments presented, we'll issue a cease and desist order to stop the dumping operation. We'll work with the city government to find alternative solutions.
Thank you for all participating in this important discussion. We have heard a range of perspective on the Caloocan River Cleanup Project. Now, let's begin into the closing statements. This concludes our debate on the Caloocan River Cleanup. We hope this exercise has helped you understand the complexities of environmental governance and the importance of considering multiple viewpoints.
Thank you for watching.